welcome back guys, and today in this video we are learning Python try and accept. So try and accept tries the script, then accept the exceptions or any errors. There are many exceptions. Let's try. For example, let's use first and let's make another input named second. And after that, we can do more. Let's use the try name. Let's print the A in the integer and B in the integer. Let's see. And except, we have many exceptions, like we have the zero division error, we have name error. We have many, but exception is the global error, any error. So if there's any error, let's print that one. 2 plus P, 2 plus Portugal, and that is error. But if we don't use except, if we throw a large error, let's use something else. We can also accept exception as the E variable. Let's print error plus E. Let's use STRA. Let's see it. Let's see it. First is 2, second is A. That is now telling us the error instead of throwing that.